I got some banana bread at work today, dude. Hell yeah.
Wow. Zach, you weren't supposed to see this.
This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna call you Billy. What's wrong, Billy? Little too real for you, Billy?
That is Northern Lights cannabis indica. No, it's marijuana.
I can't believe you've done this.
Greetings, my fellow YouTubers!
Wow!
Today, we're going to be replacing this beat up old water heater with a brand new Girard tankless water heater. Let's do it. First off, we need to shut off the propane at the tank. There you go. Now we want to shut off all power going to the old water heater. We're going to do this by pulling out the fuse that's labeled tank heater. So with our particular RV, we have a bypass valve, so you want to make sure you put it into bypass so that no additional water goes into the old water heater. So now we want to drain the old water heater. You have your little drain spout right here. Go ahead and open it up. So now you want to make sure you open up your relief valve. You can do that just by pulling this pin and setting it in the middle, and then the water will all come out. Look at her go.
Wow!
I'm going to go ahead and remove the water lines from the old water heater. So we had to cut out a lot of the styrofoam that was surrounding the old tank so that the tank will fit through the window. And then we also disconnected the electrical coming to the water heater. But now that all that's taken care of, we should be able to pull this out. It should come out no problem. Alright, we're going to go ahead and clean out all the old styrofoam out of the compartment, and we'll vacuum it out in here and make it nice and clean and tidy for the kids.
He means dogs.
This is where
There will be no kids.
This is where we'll keep the children.
Alright, so we're gonna scrape off all this epoxy from the framing of the door thing. Oh, it's not easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, like butter.
Country home, to the home, home. Where's my home? I don't know. Country home, take me home.
What if it just did not fit? Funny. Like the whole video, and it's like, nope.
Tree roads take me home to the place.
Oh, it's like a centimeter. But like but the screws though, like that adds some more height to it too.
So yeah, there's this whole lip right there. I think you're gonna have to cut it out. So we're going to use the old wire harness from the old water heater. So if we want to, we can disconnect and reconnect easily with the new water heater. So I'm just using some butt connectors to connect to the new wiring. Nice and tight. And we're just tightening down the water lines to the unit. Now you don't want to over torque these, you just want to put them nice and snug. And we also put Teflon on the fittings.
We got power.
Think it on?
Yeah, we did. Hell yeah, it's alive. It does smell like gas. Oh, look at that. Ugh. Look at that boy.
This was our gas copper line that was feeding our old water heater. And as you can see, it got very kinked in the process of taking the old water heater out. So we had to stop filming, go to the store, and get a new flexible gas line that is easier to maneuver with when you're installing the unit. So yeah, that's probably why there's a little gap.
Continuity error.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask, what we did. I did have to flare a new union on the old copper tubing to go to the new flex tubing, but yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment.
I think that's about all we missed. But it's in!
So the water heater came with this handy dandy water heater thermostat. It's got an on-off button and a temperature up and down control. It makes it super easy if you want to raise or lower the temperature of your hot water. And it's really simple to install. Sorry we didn't show it on camera, but it's just 2 wires that go into the water heater that you just need to wire up. And as soon as you do that and turn on the unit, it kicks right on and the display turns on. So, yeah.